Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. Today's menu, we are going to learn how to make beef picadillo with vegetables. So let me show you what we are going to need. The ingredients we're going to need are ground beef, cubed gold potatoes, cubed carrots, sweet onion chopped, garlic mince, red and green capsicum or bell peppers, cocoa aminos, black raisins, seedless. These are very sweet, by the way. Unsalted seasoning blend, Hunt's no salt added diced tomatoes with flavor or herbs, tomato sauce. So now that we're through here, let's get cooking, folks. Heat oil in a large skillet. Once oil is hot, add the onion and garlic. Stir and cook for about a minute, just enough to allow the onion to get transparent. Stir in carrots and cover for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, give a little stir. Move carrots on sides and add the ground meat to cook. Break up large lumps of meat using a wooden spoon to make sure all the little pieces are well cooked. Fry until brown, about 8 minutes. Mix in diced potatoes. Stir and keep cooking until potatoes and carrots are slightly tender but still firm. This will take about 5 more minutes since you'll still keep cooking them when you add the diced tomatoes and sauce. Put the lid on and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Then add tomato dice and sauce to the meat and vegetables. Also add unsalted seasoning, cocoa aminos, raisins, and all the green and red bell peppers. FYI, the meaning of picadillo in English is mince, a traditional dish in many Latin American countries and the Philippines, where it is known as giniling, and also arroz a la cubana, that is similar to hash. It is made with ground beef, tomatoes. Also, tomato sauce may be used as a substitute, but I like to use both to thicken the sauce, with raisins and other ingredients that vary by region. It is often served with rice or used as a filling in dishes such as tacos, savory pastries, bread, or empanada. The name comes from the Spanish word picar, that means to mince. A 19th century recipe from California for pasteles a la Argentina is given for a filled pastries with layers of beef picadillo and chicken, cooked in green chili and onion sauce with olive oil and raisins. There, folks, you have it in a nutshell. Thank you for watching the Unsalted Kitchen channel again. If you like this video, then hit like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get updates for new videos. Also, I would love to read your comments, so please tell me what you think about this video. Again, thank you very much. See you later. Bye-bye.